video. Iba rin. Iba talaga.
Yan nga. Wait lang. Sayang. Already here na sa Feliz Cafe near Vermosa, and we're just waiting for Drew and Reese. So, by the way guys, I just ordered this strawberry vanilla kasi we're still full anyway kasi nga kumain na kami sa Vermo sa Libro Espresso. And here's Bobby. Just to let you know.
I'm on.
It's late.
Hey guys, good morning. So today is January 8th and time check 6:58 na. And my agenda today is pupunta ako ng school para asikasuhin yung dapat asikasuhin because today is our advising. And kailangan ko na asikasuhin sa registrar namin yung kulang kong clearance kasi hindi pa ako na-enlist. And because of that, yun lang naman yung gagawin ko, advising, then asikasuhin ng clearance para makapag-enroll na ako. Kasi ang start ng class namin is January 13. And that's the start of our second sem. So, alis ako mga 7. Mag-print lang muna ako ng dapat i-print. Yeah. So, see you later, guys.
Ano lang eh.
To that number.
Makaka-enroll na kami. From Shein. Your pants. From Shein din ata. Bye. So guys, we're now going home because we're done.
We're gonna eat.
Saan tayo kakain?
In the eatery.
Where is that?
I don't know.
We're here na. Hey, hi guys. We're in. That's mine. So my order is vanilla. And
Ditipid na ako.
her order is hazelnut. Sugar pa. Hi guys! So today is January 9, 10 a.m. And I'm here in Molito because I'm waiting for Risha because we're going to enroll today for second semester, and I'm just waiting here kay Risha. And sabay na kami pupunta ng bed. So yun. Hi guys! We're done paying our tuition! Yay! Mag-aano tayo?
Magka-Korean Mart kami ni Rai.
Yes. Tara na, sentahan na natin. Wait lang! Ano yun? Annyeonghaseyo!
siya linanap. First bag sa may bag. So, 1, 2, 3. Socks lang.
Hey guys, so today is January 12 and time check. I don't know what time is it. It's 5:35 a.m. and we're going to Lukban, Quezon sa Kamay ni Jesus. Kasi ipapablessing namin tong van doon. So, ayun. I'm gonna show it to you guys later my whole outfit kapag may time. Kasi madilim pa. And actually, nasa van na ako. Sila nandun pa sa loob. I'm just waiting for them. Kasi alis na din kami. And then, yun. By the way, guys, uwi na din pala ako mamayang gabi ng Cavite because tomorrow is the start of our class na. Hopefully, maga ako makauwi. Pero I think kasi alis kami dito baka mga 10 na ng gabi. And baka makarating kami doon mga 12 a.m. na or 1 a.m. And also guys, itong vlog na to is until today, Sunday lang, kasi I'm gonna make another vlog for starting tomorrow, which is Monday, and at the end of our prayers week. Hi guys! So, tapos na magpa-blessing and hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung kumain kami. So, ito na yung kabuuan ng outfit check. So, this is my outfit. I'm wearing heels. So, at yung flirt pants na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Super flirt yan. This is my pants nung nag-workshop ako sa runway, Metro runway. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. So I hope you like it and see you to my next vlog. Bye!